In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog page using Weebly, an intuitive platform for building websites. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting, Weebly offers user-friendly tools to get your blog up and running in no time. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive right into the process. First, head over to your Weebly dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're here, you'll see the overview section. This is where you'll find all the key information about your site. Next, we're going to click on Edit Site. This will take you into the Weebly editor where all the magic happens. Keep an eye out for any pop-up messages often prompting you for updates. Just click the small X to close them out. Now you're in the main editor, which can initially seem a bit overwhelming with all the options. But don't worry, we're going to break it down together. Locate the Pages tab on the upper bar and click on it. This is where you manage all the existing pages for your site and where you'll add new ones. To add a new page, find the little plus icon, often located around the bottom of this panel, and click on it. A menu will appear with various page templates. Scroll down until you find the option for a blog page. Click it. This will set up the basic framework for your new blog. Every blog needs a title, so now's the time to type in something catchy and relevant that reflects the content you plan to create. Once you've entered your title, click on Done to save your changes. Now you have the skeleton of your blog page ready. Next, click on the blogging area to start typing your content or simply paste if you've drafted it elsewhere. As you format your text, consider using headers and subheaders to make your content easier to digest. Also, Weebly provides options to drag and drop text boxes, images, and other elements, so feel free to experiment with these to enhance your blog's appearance. Once satisfied with how everything looks, click away from the editing box to ensure all changes are automatically saved. It's that simple. Remember, Weebly saves your work automatically, but it's always a good idea to double check that everything is saved properly. And there you have it. You've just created a blog page on Weebly. With practice, you'll find the whole process quick and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on making the most out of Weebly. Happy blogging, and I'll see you in the next video.